On the evening of December 6th, the Women's Guild and the Church Choir of St. Mary's Church in Worcester, Massachusetts hosted their third annual concert, The Sounds of Christmas, bringing the festive spirit to life. Father Mark Doku opened the event with a warm greeting, wishing the Albanian-American community and beyond a joyful, healthy, and faithful holiday season. The church choir then delivered an hour of professional artistic interpretations, featuring traditional Christmas carols and liturgical hymns from the Nativity season, all met with enthusiastic applause. Notably, the Orthodox Choir of St. Mary's Church, which performs regularly at Sunday services, had been preparing intensively for this concert over the past 2 to 3 months. Following the concert, attendees gathered for a social hour at a modest festive banquet, supported by donations and the dedicated efforts of church members. This support is always appreciated and carries heartfelt wishes for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year filled with health and success.